In these activities, you guys are going to be building series circuits and parallel circuits, which means you need to understand what the difference is. In a series circuit, there is exactly one path for current to flow. That means current's going to leave the battery and enter a resistor or a light bulb or whatever circuit element that is. Then it's going to leave that thing and enter the next one. And then it's going to leave that thing and enter the next one, and leave that and enter the next one. And you can add as many of these as you want, but once the current leaves the battery, it only has one path to flow, from one element through it, to the next element, through it, to the next element. So exactly one path, and that's a series circuit. But that's not the only kind of circuit. You can always also have a parallel circuit, which looks different. Again, you have a battery, but instead of having one path, we think about two conductors coming off of that battery that are parallel to each other. And instead of connecting the resistors or light bulbs or whatever in that path, we're going to connect them across that path. So we'll put one resistor here, and another resistor here, and another resistor here, and that allows us to have multiple paths for electricity or current to flow. It can go around this loop, or it can go around this loop, or it can go around this loop, and those loops are independent of each other to some extent. Now, it's easy to draw this parallel circuit like that, but building it requires just a little bit more thought. Okay? So you'll have your battery, and a wire to your battery, and then say a wire to your first light bulb, and then that wire comes back. So I've got a light bulb, one wire, and another wire. Now, in order to hook another light bulb in parallel to this, I'm going to clip a wire on this side of my light bulb and another wire on this side of my light bulb, and then those can go to my next light bulb, and I can light that up. Okay? So this is equivalent to what I drew before, but it's actually kind of showing you how to hook up your wires. Okay? So resistor, resistor, or so these wires are connected up to those wires.